If you need some high drama for a baby shower, a bridal shower, a wedding party, or just a super fun party, and also great for office flair and little girls' fun room. Now this is going to be in my office because my office needs high drama. Look at these beautiful 6-foot flowers. They are bendable and they are gorgeous. They come in several different colors, including white, champagne, rose, red, and this beautiful purple color here. I love the drama in these flowers. They are bendable, and what a photo op they will be for any party. If you're having a gathering and you need some springtime beauty, this is the one. Just imagine all the fun you can have with selfies with these beautiful high drama flowers. They are so pretty and absolutely elegant. A great touch to any gathering or decor. Now they make a big statement. If you want a big statement or some super fun added to your party or your decor, this says me. This says, yes, this is what I want. I love this. These were provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I have them set up next to this mirror here so you can see just how beautiful they are front and back. They are absolutely gorgeous. A must-have set of high drama flowers. Don't let these run out of stock before you get yours. I think they are beautiful. Imagine setting these up in a wedding party with the matching colors for your bridesmaids dresses, or just a pop of color at a big office setting or a big hotel lobby. This is what you need. I recommend highly these great high quality flowers.